Let's make some spicy ahi summer rolls.
The ingredients I will be using are summer roll wrappers, sweet chili sauce, lettuce, cucumber, avocado, spicy ahi, cilantro, and sweet basil. These are my favorite ingredients to use for this recipe, but you can always add or eliminate to your preference. The vegetables I will be using are shredded lettuce, which has some carrots and cabbage. I have cilantro, sweet basil leaves, avocado, and a cucumber. We need to slice up the avocado, so I'm going to remove it from its shell and slice them into strips. Next up, I'm going to prepare the cucumber. I'm going to cut them into long strips. I also like to keep the skin on because it gives the added crunch.
Now that I have all my vegetables prepared, it's time to bring out the spicy ahi. I'm going to use my kitchen shears and I'm just going to chop it up so that the chunks are not too big. We can finally assemble. You're going to need some water for your summer roll wrappers in order for the wrapper to get soft and flexible for you to roll up all of your ingredients. Your wrapper only needs to be in water for a few seconds, and then you can lay it out on your cutting board. It will continue to soften as you assemble. Now we can start layering up all of our ingredients. I'm going to start off with the spicy ahi. And then throw on all of your vegetables. It's kind of a balancing act, so be sure not to add too much or it'll be pretty challenging to roll up. Don't forget to add the sweet chili sauce. You'll need just a little bit because the spicy ahi provides great flavor already. Now you're going to carefully roll up all of your ingredients. The wrapper itself is very thin but also very stretchy. Make sure to fold in the sides before you finish rolling up. This will help all the ingredients stay together. You can see all the different vegetables. Isn't it pretty? If you're not a big fan of spicy ahi, you can always switch it out with another type of meat. Shrimp is a popular option. Get creative. Come up with your own combo. Let me know what your favorite is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I taught you something or inspired you to try this recipe. Until next time, check out my other videos and consider subscribing.